Tony Robbins, the coach, the guru. I watched him yesterday and he said something. He said, people don't change their lives or people don't achieve their dreams because they lack certainty. They lack, like, they believe that's going to happen for them, right? So they're doubting. So what I'm going to say here, it's up to you if you choose to doubt it or to believe it, okay? Welcome. My name is Sherifa Nakalema. I'm here in Virginia, USA, and I'm introducing to you a program that's going to help you if you want to work from anywhere, like me, online, at home, anywhere you choose. If you have a laptop, if you are the kind that is tired of your 9 to 5, you want to start slowly, build something. Maybe you end up you work for yourself, you create even a real business. If you are the kind who is tired of having a boss in general, you want to do your own thing, or you may have the boss but create some other source of income. I'm introducing you to a course. It's a free course by a gentleman called Brian Brewer. It's an affiliate course. All we do, I do this, he does that, I learn from him, is promote other companies' products to earn commissions online. I think you've seen this a lot online, especially the younger people, even all kinds of people. People who are online are doing this. It's called affiliate marketing. You just promote other companies' products and earn commissions. Now, Brian, the one I'm about to introduce you to, has done it for longer. Me, I've done it for like 3 years, and he earned at least $1 million in his funnel, USA dollars we're talking about. He even won a car. So I'm going to show you some more about Brian. But let me talk about this course. It's free, number one. Anyone with an email can access it because you put your email and he gives it to you. It's 90 minutes long. You're going to learn 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. So that means you could finish it even today. If you add your email, you access it, you can learn. He's going to introduce you to, because he's done this for a while, he put together eight, he called them secrets, affiliate secrets. If you master the 8, you are ready to go. You can promote anything online and earn commissions. You could even start by promoting his own course. Now, when I show you how to get there, you put your email, and you're going to access this free course. But after I get the free course, in fact, even before he gives you the free course, he tells you about, that's why I'm recording this one, so you can I can explain what's going on. He talks to you about upgrading. You know, these thrift things always have some upgrades, but you take them if you want. If you take the upgrade, it costs $9, right? And $9, he gives you his thing, his system, his funnel. You know, when we're online, when we're promoting, we automate things, right? So you have to learn how to set them up. Now he's sharing what he set up for himself with his name with you, but you have to pay $9. If you pay $9, he gives that to you. All you have to do is change where his name is, you put yours. That's one upsell. Now, if you may choose to do that, and then after that, he offers something else. I think it's through experience, because he has done this, he sees where people tend to struggle. So he was making things easier for them, like setting up the funnel. Setting it up, I set up mine, you'll see, but it takes a while. And then, so he gives that to you for $9, and also the autoresponders, the emails, the follow-up emails when you're promoting. Now, the other upsell is, he figured that some people don't like to record videos. See what I'm doing here? Maybe you want to promote, but you don't really want to record videos. You don't even want to be seen on a camera. So if you are like that one, that kind, he offers you another one. It's $37. You pay $37, and he's going to give you his own videos. I've tested this. It worked for me on TikTok, but some people are testing it on, he's testing it himself on Instagram or Facebook. But me, I tested it on TikTok and it worked. So the purpose of this is to explain, to put this here, so I don't send you there when you don't know what's going on. What's going on? He's offering you 90 minutes of free affiliate tips if you want to become an affiliate marketer, if you want to promote other people's products and earn money online. And then after that, of course, he's promoting his own course. This is his own course. He started off promoting other people, other companies, and now he created his own course. And I feel like he really did a good job, because he helped people who are like what I just said. Not everyone wants to record videos. Not everyone wants to set up their own funnels. So for small fee, you can use his own stuff. And then if you choose to do the way I did, I promote his program. Now, he has another one, an upsell, that's called Affiliate Escape Plan. That one is a little bit more expensive. So if you choose to go all the way, then you're going to get into his community. He's coaching you. You have access to him. That's cool. But if you don't want to go all the way, I'm here. That's why I put this option. So below this video, you're going to find a link that takes you to my page. You'll see that it's me asking you to put an email. And when you put the email, then I'm going to see another one coming back to you from me, Sherifa, and I'm sending you to Brian. And I didn't want to say too much about Brian, but I explained in the after you add the email, you're going to see everything about him. And I saw his picture. I'm not showing a picture here. And if you are the kind that you doubt, really doubt, so you do this. Instead of going straight to where I'm asking you to go, watch another video. There is another one where I talked about Brian more, and I even talked about those secrets a little bit more, but it's long. It's 28 minutes. So I'm linking it below here also. So there is this first option, the faster one. Just go find everything about Brian later. Or if you want to hear about him first, then watch my other longer video, but it's 28 minutes long. And it shows you how you get to this free course. But if you choose to just add your email and continue, then you're going to get another email from me that's going to explain how you get to Brian's free course. The reason I did it like that is because I feel like if you don't connect with me, like you watch me here and go, and you don't have my email, I don't have your email, then you may have questions and maybe I could have answered them for you. I do this for free. You could even ask for a Zoom meeting. I do that for free. But he may not be able to do that for you because he's not there answering simple questions. So I put myself right there. Send me a message. I'm here to support. I'm 56 years old. I'm sort of semi-retired. I'm here to support people. That's why I came to TikTok and everywhere to support, especially young people. I see everyone as a brother, a sister. I see young people as sons and daughters. I'm here to support because when I started this, everything I know I had to pay. Everything I know I had to pay. But now you can share some things for free. So when you send an email, I also recorded my own messages right here. I have over 600 videos here on YouTube. If you send me an email and say, you know what is this affiliate marketing? What does it mean? I recorded videos explaining. When you are promoting products, they can be from the health, from the wealth, from the relationship categories, but we are not getting to those details right now. So if you are the kind that wants those step by step, or if you are in a country where they don't allow you to pay, like you may want to pay the $9 or the $37 and they say, no, you're not accepting your country, still send me an email. I'll show you something that's available for your own country. This one is not for every country, okay? But the email, the free course, is for everyone. All you need to give in the email. I've seen people who have done it. So that's my video today. Go get it what is still free. You know, these people change their mind. So go get the free course, at least get this knowledge. Connect with me if you want any more support, or if you don't even want to upgrade to do what he's doing, like the free stuff. There is another course that, not his course, another one that I could share with you where you go learn step by step and create your own funnels. If you don't want to just clone, he calls this cloning. If you don't want to just make a copies of his, there's another way we can do it. So just connect with me. I'm Sherifa Nakalema. Over here, I'm in Virginia, USA, business owner, YouTuber, TikToker, all those things. And the message here on this channel is make money, better life. Create a better life for yourself by getting better, learning how time management, setting goals, writing your goals, all that stuff. But learning how to use your mind better. Those kind of things, what I talk about here. I also do motivation. But my goal for you and for me is actually create a real business. You see me, I'm always with these books. We have to create real businesses to invest, to learn to invest, so that you don't have to always be working for money. We can set systems up so we can have passive income coming in, whether we work or whether we don't. Okay, that's my message. Again, go get it. It's a free course. It's 90 minutes, 1.5 hours. After that, but before he gives it to you, you'll see that he's speaking in the beginning and he's talking about this $9 upsell. If you have $9, go get it. And then if you don't want to record videos, you want to use his videos. For me, I did both. I did his videos, I use my videos. But I did it to test it out, to see, does it really work when you promote not using your own videos? So it worked. I tested it out. You could do the same, or you could just take the first one and leave the second one. It's all up to you. But just get to me. If you don't want to make a decision at all, after you put your email the first time, you'll see mine coming back. Sherifa, ask me first. You say, you know what? Please set up a Zoom meeting for me because I want to understand what it all means before you even go to Brian. I'll be happy to do that because I gave myself that job. Okay? Like I always end my videos. Please, if you got some value from this, please like it, and share it with others. And also subscribe to the channel if you really want to connect with me and learn what I do here. If everything I do, I'm here like every day in these videos, and then on Friday night my time, I'm in Virginia, USA. For other countries like Africa, it's like early morning Saturday, I'm live. You can come and be with us, and I'm everywhere in the other social medias. Like I always end them, I say, take very good care of yourself, take very good care of your families, take very good care of your health. From now, after watching me, I'm going to put this link that I want you to click in a pinned comment, but YouTube is changing rules. They may remove it. So look in the description also. I'll put it there. Remember, I'm putting 2 links. One is going to be going to straight. I'll click straight to go to Brian. You add your email. You add your email, it comes to me, then I send you Brian's link, right? Or watch the longer video that I recorded about Brian and about what he does and all that. If you are that kind, you want to watch, you have 28 minutes, it's 28 minutes long. So you can do that. Then I show you the whole process in that video. Okay? There are 2 options. Thank you very much.